Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy you're here today. Today, we're going to paint this calm winter forest scene together, a peaceful, snowy landscape created on a black canvas. I begin by building the sky, using a mix of white with a touch of blue. I gently cover the upper part of the canvas with a dry sponge, keeping the texture soft and atmospheric. Then I deepen the color by adding more blue and a little black, extending this darker tone downward to form the distant forest background. I mix a cool, icy blue and, with a large flat brush, paint the snowy ground. I let the brush move freely so the snow feels natural and uneven, just like in a real winter landscape. From within the dense background forest, I start revealing a few tree trunks. Using a thin brush and diluted dark paint, I lightly sketch trees emerging from the distance. Some trunks are painted darker and slightly thicker to bring them forward, creating depth and perspective. With a smaller brush, I add more details to the trees, especially near the tops, and softly suggest snow resting on the branches. I mix white with a hint of blue and a tiny touch of black, then gently place this muted snow color onto the branches so it feels light and settled. Now I bring warmth into the scene. By mixing white with red and yellow, I create a soft golden tone and apply it to the snow in the foreground, as if sunlight is touching the surface. I leave the darker areas untouched to act as shadows, helping the snow feel more dimensional and textured. I add another layer of clean white over parts of the snow to enhance the brightness under the sunlight and to make the winter light feel crisp and fresh. In the foreground, I paint a large, strong tree facing away from the light. First, I block in the sunlit leaves with brighter tones, then add deeper, shadowed colors underneath. I paint the trunk using a dark, diluted color and shape the branches with a thin brush, adding highlights to suggest texture and form. Carefully, I place snow on the branches and leaves, showing how they bend slightly under its weight. This final step brings softness and realism to the tree. At the end, I take a step back, observe the whole painting, and add a few final details to balance the light, shadows, and textures until the scene feels complete. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me today. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, please support the channel by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next painting.